Sino-Italian Ecological and Energy Efficient Building, or SEEB, at Tsinghua University in Beijing was designed by architect Mario Cucinello with the idea to minimize as much CO2 emissions as possible, producing 58% less HVAC CO2 than conventional buildings. The building utilizes 1,000 square meters of solar panels as a source of electricity. At full potential, only 5% of the electricity is solar, the rest is from natural gas. East and west faces are curtain walls with double-skin facades, with external light shells and louvers to excess heat in the summer. The north-facing wall is heavily insulated to minimize heat loss during the winter. The building captures excess internal heat for hot water and winter heating. The building is cooled with the use of absorption chiller, using exhaust to heat to condition the air. The building minimizes sanitation water consumption using 0.1 to 1 liter for toilets, compared to the conventional 6 liters. Beijing has one of the lowest air qualities in the world. SEEB is predominantly yet there is no active mention to maintain internal air heat exchange when not desired. The RBC water park place is LEED Platinum and was designed by WZMH architects to create a statement in Toronto. It uses glass elevations and coupled with light shells, similar to SEEB, and skylights to minimize the need for artificial lighting. The surroundings, like SEEB, glass curtain walls are prone to heat exchange. Heat in the winter from the lower floors of the building are collected and used on higher floors. This atrium was uncomfortably warm during the winter, making it effective in heating the surrounding space and the higher levels via convection. During the summer, this would become extremely hot though. The building uses deep water cooling for air conditioning, pumping water from Lake Ontario to cool the building. The pumped water becomes the water supply. Deep water cooling reduces the energy cost required for AC by 90%. Deep water cooling is, though, extremely expensive. The water park place has a dedicated ventilation for moving in and out fresh air, maintaining healthy air in windowless complexes. SEEB doesn't rely on Beijing's electric grid, benefiting from its own sustainable sources, and also utilizes more water-efficient utilities, making it more efficient than the RBC water park.